Hello, this is Prince George Ford coming at you, and today we're looking at the 2026 Ford F-150 XLT. Coming in this nice iconic silver coloring, this vehicle is going to be powered by a lovely 3.5 liter V6 EcoBoost engine, has four-wheel drive capabilities, comes equipped with a nice 6.5 foot box. We do get lovely rear park sensing, tow hitch receiver, your backup camera. We do get the black appearance package on this vehicle, mobile office package, as well as the trailer tow package and the bed utility package, where we do get a tailgate step on this vehicle. We got mud flaps on the rear and front, gripped running boards on either side, blind spot detection, turn light, spotlight indicated, side view camera, black hook deflector with front park sensing recovery hooks, front view camera, and that nice Ford grille. Taking a look at the back here, we can see this vehicle does stay up to 5 pretty comfortably. We have this nice black leather interior, we have floor mats, flat fold storage system, carpeted interior, plenty of door space in the back. We do get cup holders and storage, 2 USB-Cs with rear vents, 120 volt, and a lovely split folding rear bench seat. Taking a look at the driver's side now, we can see here we have a power driver's seat with the same leather interior we saw in the back there. Plenty of more door space up front, powered windows, mirrors, and locks, upgraded B&O sound system, tailgate lights, spotlights, parking brake pedal adjusters, all on your left-hand side. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see the odometer is sitting at 66 kilometers. Got this nice leather up steering wheel, toggle free screen, phone and media, volume, voice, and cruise control, digital speedometer, RPMs, all that jazz. And looking at our main screen here, we do get your trip 1 and 2, so trip and economy or trip and fuel, my view, gauges, off-road, towing, status info, navigation, with phone, audio, vehicle maintenance, and other settings. To my right, we got a collapsible gear select with cup holders and storage, wireless charging with some outlets, plenty of storage in your center console, and it does turn into an interior work surface. Put your food, laptop, paperwork, totally up to you. We have a rear locking diff, dry modes, and four-wheel drive, trailer brake, pro trailer assist with dual climate up front, heated front seats, 12 volt, 120, storage above, below, on the dash with a lovely powered rear window opener. We also do get our features for our twin panel moonroof, which provides excellent lighting for the vehicle, auto stop, auto start, hazards, traction, and a 360 view of your vehicle where you can go for different camera angles. We also do get our audio here with AM, FM, Bluetooth, and Sirius XM. Phone controls. You got your navigation right here as well. Little red dot showing where your vehicle's been. Search, recent, saved. Have your audio open at the same time. Fave apps such as messaging, email. Any apps you may download will show up right here with the Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Settings. And your features of the vehicle. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is KD99641, and you can head on out to PG Ford or give us a call.